Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nitya, a practicing medical oncologist at VS Group of Hospitals. There has been a lot of talk about the recurrence of Zika virus in our country. It has been there for almost about 7-8 years now, and there's been a lot of talk about it. We have cases recently detected in our country also. So what is Zika virus? It is an arbovirus, meaning it is an arthropod bone virus. It is transmitted through a mosquito bite, and it causes some simple symptoms like fever, rash, body pain. It might even cause very severe weakness, some joint pains may be there, and patient may feel dehydrated. This happens in almost all of the patients. But what we have to keep in mind is this disease can be a real trouble in patients who are pregnant. In women who are pregnant and they acquire Zika virus, then there's going to be a lot of problems for the baby who's going to be born. There may be some neurological deficits like brain developmental abnormalities, some nervous issues may be there. So it is very commonly associated with Zika virus. People should be well aware, and it is very important that pregnant women protect themselves from this particular virus. So how do we protect ourselves from Zika virus? Avoid a mosquito bite. That's the simplest thing. It is transmitted by the same mosquito that gives the dengue as well, the Aedes aegypti. It bites during the day and it can cover long distances. So we have to be careful about mosquito bites. Use mosquito repellents wherever possible. Avoid contamination with water or avoid contact with water surfaces, water collections. Don't allow water collections near your house so that you can prevent the mosquito breeding from happening. So simple procedures can definitely lead to prevention of this disease as such. So if you have any of these symptoms of Zika virus, please visit your consultant immediately, a physician immediately. Get tested for it. There are a couple of blood tests available. Get tested for it, and definitely you can find ways to get out of the complications. Pregnant women, please be careful because this can lead to the problems in the baby. The woman per se may not be affected by the virus as such terribly, apart from these simple symptoms, but it can be really dangerous for the baby. So please be careful and please prevent a mosquito bite so that you can prevent transmission of Zika virus.
VS Hospitals. Care, cure and compassion.